Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. On Android, open WhatsApp and verify your number, then go to Settings, Chats, move Chats to iPhone. Make sure Move to iOS is installed on Android and your new iPhone is on the Hello/Setup screen. Connect phones with the cable or use the temporary Wi-Fi created by iPhone. This is required. Once connected, tap Continue on both devices and follow the on-screen prompts to prepare WhatsApp for export. Do not interrupt the connection. Once done with the connection, you'll see a Transfer Data screen. Select WhatsApp among the apps listed. The Android device will export your WhatsApp data, and the Move to iOS pathway will import it to the iPhone. Make sure you keep both screens on and unlocked. If prompted, grant permissions on Android to read storage. The process can take from minutes to an hour depending on size, so be patient and do not close apps or disconnect the cable while it copies files. After transfer completes, finish iPhone setup and install WhatsApp. Verify with the same phone number you used on Android. When WhatsApp opens, it will detect the transferred data and show a Start button. Tap it to finalize import. Chats and media will then appear. Make sure you allow notifications and storage access. If something goes wrong, restart both phones, confirm both apps are updated, ensure enough iPhone storage, and repeat the move to iOS flow. Contact WhatsApp support only after retrying these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.